In every century, there comes a moment when the world stops and listens. Because somewhere in an underground lab, a secret hangar, or the deck of a carrier slicing through the Pacific, America builds something new. Something so powerful, so devastating, that it doesn't just win wars. It rewrites how war is fought. These are not just weapons. They are warnings, carved in steel and code. Each one engineered to do the unthinkable, and make sure no one else ever dares to try. Today, we're opening the vault on 20 of the most dangerous American weapons ever made. Some were unleashed. Some were so terrifying they were locked away forever. And one was built so secretly that for decades, even Congress didn't know it existed. So sit back, put on your headphones, and remember, these aren't just machines. They are the edge of human invention and the reason the world listens when America speaks. 2010 Thunderbolt 2, the Warthog. It's ugly, it's loud, and it's loved. The 10 Thunderbolt 2, affectionately known as the Warthog, is proof that beauty doesn't win. War's survivability does. Built around a 30mm GAU-8 Avenger rotary cannon or weapon that can shred tanks like tissue, the 10 isn't sleek or stealthy. It's a flying tank with wings. Designed in the Cold War to annihilate Soviet armor, the Warthog could fly low, take hits that would kill any other aircraft, and still limp home. Pilots call the sound of that cannon the BRRT, the noise every enemy on the ground has learned to fear. The Warthog is dangerous and just in its firepower, in its loyalty. It stays above the battlefield, protecting troops like a guardian angel made of titanium. In every modern conflict, from Iraq to Afghanistan, the 10 proved that sometimes old-school muscle beats digital stealth. 19. The Trident D5 missile. You'll never see one of these. You'll never hear it. If it ever flies, you won't have time to react. The Trident D5 is America's ultimate insurance policy, a submarine-launched ballistic missile capable of delivering multiple nuclear warheads across continents. Each missile can carry up to 8 independently targetable warheads, each with yields hundreds of times stronger than Hiroshima. Hidden beneath oceans in Ohio-class submarines, the Trident system embodies a simple, terrifying principle: mutually assured destruction. The enemy never knows where it is, and that's the point. If launched, the Trident D5 would mark the end of civilization as we know it. And that's why it's so dangerous, and so effective. Its power lies in the fact it's never been used. 18. The M1 Abrams tank. The sound of the turbine engine. The flash of depleted uranium shells. Few machines symbolize American ground dominance like the M1 Abrams. Born in the 1980s, perfected through war, the Abrams isn't just a tank, it's a fortress on treads. Its armor can shrug off RPGs, IEDs, and even anti-tank missiles. Its gun can destroy enemy armor from miles away before the target even knows it has been spotted. And inside, it feels more like a spaceship than a tank. Digital targeting, GPS, and a crew who trusts it with their lives. But what makes it truly dangerous is evolution. The latest Abrams, the M1A Deceptor, blends new composite armor, AI-assisted targeting, and drone coordination. It's not just a tank anymore. It's a node in a battlefield network, fast, lethal, and unstoppable. In short, if it's rolling toward you, it's already too late. 17. The F-2 Raptor. Imagine a jet that can see you before radar does. A fighter that can shoot you from beyond the horizon, vanish, and never be tracked again. That's the F-2 Raptor, the world's first true stealth air dominance fighter. It's fast, Mach 2.5. It's agile, able to turn midair like it's defying physics. And it's invisible to radar. Only a few nations even understand how it works, because the US banned its export. Every Raptor carries cutting-edge radar-absorbent coatings, vector thrust nozzles, and classified systems that remain secret even now. In a dogfight, it's like bringing a ghost to a knife fight. You don't see it. You just die. 16. The B-2 Spirit stealth bomber. When it appears on radar, it's already gone. The B-2 Spirit is an aircraft that looks like science fiction, a flying black triangle, capable of crossing oceans undetected and delivering nuclear or conventional payloads anywhere on Earth. Its shape, its coating, its silence, all of it designed for one purpose: to slip past every defense system on the planet. Each beta costs over $2 billion to build, and every mission feels like something out of another world. During the early 2000s, when it appeared over Baghdad at night, soldiers on the ground called it the Bat. They never heard it coming, only saw explosions where targets used to be. It's danger. Pure invisibility, in the era of satellites and AI. The beta spirit still remains a ghost that can strike anywhere, anytime. 15. The Minuteman III ICBM. Buried deep underground in silos across the American Midwest sits one of the most quietly terrifying arsenals on Earth, the Minuteman III. It's been standing guard since the Cold War. A sentinel of nuclear deterrence, at a moment's notice. It can launch and deliver multiple thermonuclear warheads to targets on the other side of the world in under half an hour. What makes it dangerous is not just its destructive capacity, but its automation. Its silos, its targeting systems, its readiness, all maintained in silence for decades, always waiting for an order that, thankfully, has never come. Every missile is both a threat and a prayer, a promise that no enemy attack will go unanswered. 14. The USS Gerald R. Ford supercarrier, a floating city. A mobile airbase. A symbol of projection and power. The USS Gerald R. Ford, the most advanced aircraft carrier ever built, isn't just a ship, it's an empire on water. It houses over 4,000 personnel, a full air wing of stealth fighters, and an entire defense network of interceptors, radars, and missile shields. Its electromagnetic launch system can catapult aircraft faster and more efficiently than any carrier before it. When a Ford-class carrier sails into a region, the message is clear: the US is here. Its danger is strategic, not just military. Because nothing changes the balance of power faster than when one of these giants anchors off your coast. 13. The Hellfire missile. It's small, it's silent, and it's one of the most feared weapons of the modern era. The GM-11 for Hellfire has been America's precision strike weapon for decades. Fired from drones, helicopters, and even ships, it can target moving vehicles, bunkers, or individuals with pinpoint accuracy. But the latest variant, the Hellfire 9X, changed warfare forever. It doesn't explode, it unfolds. 6 kinetic blades deploy milliseconds before impact, slicing through the target with surgical precision. No collateral damage, no blast radius, just one silent hit. It's the embodiment of the new American warfare philosophy: invisible, precise, and deeply personal. 12. The B-83 nuclear bomb. Sometimes, simplicity is terrifying. The B-83 is the most powerful nuclear bomb in America's active arsenal. With a yield of up to 1.2 megatons, 80 times Hiroshima, a single B-83 could erase a city in seconds. It's not experimental. It's real. It sits on alert, ready for use, though thankfully never called upon. Its very existence keeps the peace through fear. And maybe that's what makes it so dangerous. It doesn't just destroy. It defines global stability. 11. The F-35 Lightning. To love it or hate it, the F-35 is the future. It's not just a plane, it's a flying data center. Every second it flies, it collects, shares, and updates battlefield information. It sees everything and makes sure its pilot does too. With stealth, speed, and digital warfare systems, the F-35 isn't about one-on-one fights. It's about dominance before the fight even starts. Its true weapon isn't its missiles. It has its brain, of the fusion of sensors and AI that makes it the most connected jet ever built. 10. The Tomahawk cruise missile. When America needs to strike first or strike smart, it sends a Tomahawk. Launched from ships or submarines, the Tomahawk cruise missile can fly hundreds of miles at treetop level, skimming radar, weaving through valleys, and hitting a target the size of a window. It doesn't roar, it whispers, and that whisper often comes seconds before impact. From the Persian Gulf to Syria, the Tomahawk has become the U.S. Navy's precision signature, of a first strike weapon that tells enemies, "We see you. We can reach you anywhere." Each missile costs over $1 million, but what it delivers is priceless and matched precision and fear. 9. The MQ-9 Reaper drone. It doesn't need a pilot. It doesn't sleep. And it never hesitates. The MQ-9 Reaper is America's unmanned angel of death, the eyes, ears, and trigger finger of modern warfare. With its long wings, silent flight, and 30-hour endurance, it can watch a single building for days before striking. Armed with hellfires and guided bombs, the Reaper delivers justice or judgment from the sky. But what truly makes it dangerous isn't the payload. It's the psychology. The Reaper has transformed war into something unrecognizable, remote, precise, and endless. Its operators sit thousands of miles away, watching live feeds, deciding fates with a click. In the new era of warfare, the Reaper is both a machine and a moral question. Eat of the USS Zumwalt destroyer. It looks like something out of a sci-fi movie, a ship with no right angles, gliding through the ocean like a ghost. The USS Zumwalt is the most advanced destroyer ever built, designed to be nearly invisible to radar. Its sleek hull hides a full suite of advanced missile systems, railgun capabilities, and automation that lets it operate with a fraction of a normal crew. It's more computer than ship, and that's what makes it terrifying. Zumwalt isn't about brute strength, it's about future warfare, cyber defense, stealth infiltration, and long-range precision, all wrapped in silence and steel. When the enemy radar lights up, it's already too late. 7. The Railgun Project. What if you could fire a projectile at 7 times the speed of sound without gunpowder, without explosives, just pure electromagnetic force? That's the dream of the US Navy's Railgun Project. 4 years. American engineers have been chasing this holy grail of kinetic energy weapons. It uses electricity to launch a metal slug at speeds exceeding Mach 7, capable of punching through steel and armor from hundreds of miles away. No explosives, no smoke, just raw physics. It turns metal and magnetism into destruction, the kind of weapon that could make traditional missiles obsolete. Though still in development, its potential is limitless. When it arrives, it won't just change warfare. It will redefine it. 6. The Prompt Global Strike System. Imagine this. Within 1 hour of receiving an order, the US can strike any target, anywhere on Earth. That's the goal of the Prompt Global Strike program, a network of hypersonic weapons, space sensors, and stealth delivery systems designed to make time itself America's greatest weapon. Using hypersonic glide vehicles and orbital tracking, it can bypass all air defenses and obliterate high-value targets before they even know they're being hunted. It's true danger, speed. You can defend what you can see, and you can stop what's already coming at Mach 20. 5. The B-21 Raider. Hidden, silent, next generation. Meet the B-21 Raider, the newest stealth bomber, so secret, even its blueprints are classified. It's the successor to the B-2 Spirit, designed to dominate the skies of the 2030s and beyond. The Raider is built for stealth, but also for intelligence. It can control drones, hack enemy networks, and deploy both nuclear and conventional payloads. And it can do it all without ever being seen. It's the definition of invisible power. Every detail from its radar skin to its navigation is built around one message: when the B-21 flies, no one on Earth is safe from its reach. 4. The Ohio-class ballistic missile submarine. They call it the Boomer. It's not flashy, doesn't roar. It hides deep under the ocean, waiting. Each Ohio-class submarine carries enough nuclear firepower to destroy multiple nations. 20 for Trident D5 missiles, each with multiple warheads. Each one ready to launch from under the waves, anywhere. At any time. It's the ultimate stealth weapon, indetectable, unstoppable, and untraceable. Even satellite networks struggle to find it. When one of these submarines leaves port, the world gets quiet, because somewhere in the deep, Armageddon waits. 3. The HAARP system. You've heard the rumors. Mind control, weather manipulation. But here's the truth. The High-Frequency Active Auroral Research Program, or HAARP, is real and it's powerful. Built in Alaska, HAARP was designed to study the ionosphere for communications and defense research, but its high-energy radio transmissions can manipulate atmospheric conditions, disrupt satellite signals, and even affect radar detection worldwide, while most of its functions remain classified. One thing is clear: It gave America the ability to control the invisible, the electromagnetic battlefield no one sees but everyone depends on, and that's a kind of power most nations can only dream of. 2. The hypersonic glide weapon CHGB. If the future of warfare has a sound, it's the sonic crack of a weapon moving faster than Mach 20. The common hypersonic glide body for CHGB represents the next frontier of destruction. It launches like a missile but glides through the atmosphere, skipping across layers of air at incredible speeds. It can maneuver mid-flight, evade every known defense system, and deliver its payload with surgical accuracy. By the time your radar sees it, it's already over. This is not science fiction. It's being tested now, and whoever controls hypersonic weapons controls the 21st century. One projector or the Phantom aircraft. It doesn't officially exist, but pilots, engineers, and satellite watchers have all seen the evidence. A triangular craft, moving faster than any jet known to man. Whispers call it Project Aurora, rumored to be a next-generation reconnaissance aircraft capable of hypersonic flight. Aurora allegedly replaced the SR-71 Blackbird, a plane so fast it outran missiles. But Aurora is faster. Engineers believe it uses pulse detonation engines, a propulsion system so advanced it could cross continents in minutes. No one has ever seen it up close. No government will confirm it. But if it's real, and many in the aerospace world believe it is, then it's the most dangerous American weapon ever made, because it combines speed, stealth, and secrecy, and you'll never know when it's above you. Every one of these weapons, from the Warthog to the Aurora, tells a story. A story of fear, genius, and the human hunger to outbold, outfly, and outfight every threat imaginable. They were born from necessity, raised on competition, and sharpened by war. But the truth is, the most dangerous American weapon isn't any one of these machines. It's the mind that built them. The creativity, the innovation, the relentless drive to push further, that's what keeps America on the edge of tomorrow. And if history has taught us anything, it's that when America builds something new, the world pays attention, because power, real power, doesn't roar, it whispers.